Unveiled globally at MWC 2024 on February 28th, the Honor Magic 6 Pro made waves by claiming the #1 spot for smartphone cameras on DxOMark. Now all eyes are on Honor as they push the limits of innovation and technology, aiming to keep the Magic 6 Pro at the top. Will it continue to set new standards? Let's find out. Design. At first glance, the Honor Magic 6 Pro makes a bold statement with its large camera module and solid build. Weighing in at 229 grams with a thickness of 8.9 millimeters, it's right in the heavyweight league alongside phones like the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and the ROG 8 Pro. Add a protective case, and this is definitely a two-handed device that takes up some serious pocket real estate. Our unit comes in the sleek black colorway with a glass back panel offering a smooth, non-glossy finish. There's also a green variant that features a premium faux leather back. The 12GB RAM and 512GB storage configuration on this device ensures smooth multitasking and ample space for all your apps and media. On the right side, you'll find the power button and volume rocker, while the left remains clean. The top houses the second speaker, noise-canceling mic, and an IR blaster, while the bottom features the USB Type-C port, primary speaker, mic, and SIM card slot. The rear of the device is dominated by a large camera module that packs a triple camera system, an LED flash, SMA radar for autofocus and OIS, a multi-spectrum color temperature sensor, and a flicker sensor. Plus, it comes with an IP68 rating, making it resistant to dust and water for up to 30 minutes at 1.5 meters depth. However, you'll want to keep it away from chlorinated pools and saltwater to avoid damage. This phone is a literal heavyweight, and you'll likely need both hands to handle it comfortably. It takes up significant space in your pocket, especially when a case is added, but for those who appreciate solid design and premium build quality, the Magic 6 Pro delivers. Display. The Honor Magic 6 Pro boasts a stunning 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display with a crisp 2800 by 1280 resolution and 453 ppi pixel density. You get full control over the display settings, allowing you to choose from 3 resolution options: low 2100 by 960, standard 2450 by 1120, and high 2800 by 1280. But what sets this phone apart is the Smart Resolution feature, which dynamically adjusts the resolution based on what you're doing, balancing performance and battery life seamlessly. The refresh rate is equally customizable. You can set it to dynamic 1 Hz, 60 Hz, 120 Hz for the best balance between smooth visuals and power efficiency. Standard 1 Hz, 60 Hz for saving battery, or go all out with high 1 Hz, 60 Hz, 120 Hz for ultra smooth performance at the cost of more power consumption. With a peak brightness of 5000 nits and 1600 nits HBM, high brightness mode, this display remains incredibly bright even in direct sunlight. The colors are vivid, the image is sharp, and the curved edges give the device a sleek, modern feel, though some might find those edges prone to accidental touches or slightly distorted visuals when watching videos. Protection-wise, Honor has equipped the Magic 6 Pro with its own nanocrystal shield for scratch and drop resistance. During tests at Honor's HQ in Shenzhen, this proved to be quite durable, even if its exact toughness compared to Corning Gorilla Glass or Asahi Glass is still up for debate. For audio, the phone has stereo speakers located at both the top and bottom, delivering clear and loud sound, perfect for gaming, movies, or music streaming. In terms of security, the Magic 6 Pro offers both in-screen fingerprint scanning and 3D face recognition. While both options work well, we found the fingerprint sensor to be quicker and more reliable for unlocking the device. The Honor Magic 6 Pro's display is nothing short of impressive, bright, vibrant, and packed with features to enhance both your visual experience and everyday convenience. Camera. The Honor Magic 6 Pro made waves after clinching the #1 spot in DxOMark for both its main and selfie cameras. It's no surprise, as Honor packed this device with its cutting-edge Falcon Camera system, which we got to see firsthand during an exclusive tour of their laboratory in Shenzhen, China. After witnessing their rigorous camera testing, it's easy to understand how this phone achieved such impressive DxOMark results. The main camera is a 50-megapixel super dynamic Falcon Camera H9000, featuring an adjustable aperture from f1.4 to f2.0 and optical image stabilization, OIS, delivering outstanding versatility for various lighting conditions. The 180-megapixel periscope camera comes with a 1x1.4-inch sensor, f2.6 aperture, and 2.5x optical zoom, with digital zoom extending all the way to 100x. Rounding out the trio is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 122-degree field of view and f2.0 aperture for those expansive shots. On our way back from the Honor HQ, we made a stop in Hong Kong and took the opportunity to ride the iconic cable cars and capture stunning sample photos and videos at Hong Kong Disneyland. Whether zooming in on distant landscapes or focusing on up-close macro details, the Magic 6 Pro camera system delivered outstanding performance. It locks focus quickly, whether you're in the main or zoom modes, and excels in retaining color accuracy and detail, even in tricky lighting situations. As you can see from our sample shots, the Magic 6 Pro takes crisp, vibrant photos in various conditions, including low-light settings. Even at night, the results are impressive, clean, sharp, and full of detail. Honor has also equipped this camera with a range of advanced sensors to improve its performance. These include the SMA radar for fast autofocus and optical stabilization, a multi-spectrum color temperature sensor to ensure accurate color reproduction, and a flicker sensor to eliminate banding effects from fluorescent or LED lights by automatically adjusting shutter speed and ISO. This phone is a powerhouse for photography enthusiasts and content creators alike, setting a new benchmark for smartphone cameras. Operating system, UI, and apps. The Honor Magic 6 Pro runs on Android 14, layered with Honor's custom Magic OS 8.0. The user interface is refreshingly clean, offering intuitive gesture-based navigation. Whether you prefer the app drawer for a clutter-free home screen or like to see all your apps displayed up front, Magic OS gives you the flexibility to customize your experience. The system is highly search-driven. You've got a search button on the home screen, Honor Search when you swipe down, and Google Discover when you swipe left, keeping everything within easy reach. Additionally, Honor has introduced cards which function like dynamic widgets for a more interactive and customizable home screen. One of the standout features in Magic OS is the AI Suggestions folder. This smart feature predicts which apps you're most likely to use and places them right on your home screen, making it a breeze to access your favorite apps quickly. You can also organize apps into folders or place them in the essential folders for easy one-tap access. Taking inspiration from the iPhone's dynamic island, Honor brings its own version with Magic Capsule. It displays key information from services like the timer, alarm, audio recorder, and even incoming calls in a dynamic manner. For those invested in the Honor ecosystem, Magic Ring is a fantastic feature that enables seamless connectivity across devices like your phone, tablet, and laptop. This interconnection allows you to share content, manage calls and notifications, and even synchronize apps, such as video playback, across devices for a truly integrated experience. Pre-installed on the Magic 6 Pro are several Honor native apps, including Honor Docs, Honor Health, System Manager, Voice Access, Video Player, Music Player, Email, Tips, App Market, and My Honor for account management. There's also a selection of third-party apps such as Trip.com, WPS Office, Booking.com, TikTok, and Netflix. One feature that particularly stands out is Ride Mode, a safety tool designed for when you're on the move. It disables Bluetooth and redirects calls to voice or SMS while locking the screen to prevent accidental touches. This ensures that only the answer button remains accessible when needed, keeping distractions to a minimum with its smart features, AI-powered tools, and seamless multi-device connectivity. macOS 8.0 offers a smooth and efficient user experience. Performance. The Honor Magic 6 Pro isn't just a phone, it's a powerhouse designed to impress. At the core of this beast is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, Qualcomm's latest and greatest, engineered for speed and efficiency. With a total of 8 powerful cores, this chip can handle just about anything you throw at it. It features a supercharged Cortex X4 core clocked at 3.3 GHz for tackling the toughest tasks, alongside 3 high-performance Cortex A720 cores running at 3.2 GHz. Plus 2 additional A720 cores operate at a slightly lower 3.0 GHz, providing an excellent balance of power and efficiency. The phone's dual Cortex A520 cores at 2.3 GHz take care of the lighter work to save battery without sacrificing performance. Graphics. The Adreno 750 GPU is here to make sure your games and videos run silky smooth with rich, detailed visuals. Whether you're running the latest mobile games or handling complex apps, the Magic 6 Pro delivers every single time. Now, while many flagship devices in this class come with 16 gigabytes of RAM, the Magic 6 Pro ships with 12 gigabytes of blazing fast LPDDR5X RAM. But don't let that number fool you. Thanks to Honor's RAM Turbo technology, the phone can virtually expand its memory by another 8 gigabytes. That's like having 20 gigabytes of total RAM ready to tackle all your multitasking needs. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or jumping between apps, the performance is butter smooth and snappy. Storage-wise, the 512 gigabyte UFS 4.0 internal ensures ensures lightning-quick file transfers and speedy app launches, giving you more than enough space for all your photos, videos, games, and apps without breaking a sweat. In real-world use, the Magic 6 Pro crushes heavy workloads. Running graphically intense games like Genshin Impact and Honkai Star Rail? No problem. These games run at peak performance with stunning visuals and no noticeable lag. Even when multitasking or switching between apps mid-game, the phone doesn't slow down for a second. And then there's the benchmarks. The Magic 6 Pro performs exceptionally well, scoring high across the board in AnTuTu and Geekbench tests, keeping up with or even outperforming some of the most powerful phones in its class. In short, the Honor Magic 6 Pro isn't just about specs on paper. It's about how those specs translate into an unbeatable, fluid experience in the real world. Whether you're a gamer, power user, or multitasker, this phone is built to deliver top-tier performance all day long. It's not just fast, it's blazing. Battery. The Honor Magic 6 Pro doesn't just deliver power and performance, it also brings some serious juice with its massive 5,600 mAh silicon carbon SiCaw battery. This cutting-edge battery tech allows for more energy storage compared to typical LiPo batteries, giving you more battery life in a more compact size. And the results are impressive. During our real-world test at Hong Kong Disneyland, the Magic 6 Pro easily lasted the entire day with mobile data turned on, constant social media use, and plenty of photos and videos. Even with heavy usage, this phone refuses to quit before the day is done. In our PC MarkWork 3.0 battery test, the Magic 6 Pro clocked in at 14 hours and 28 minutes. A solid score that surpasses many flagship competitors like the ROG Phone 8 Pro, 11 hours and 58 minutes. While the Galaxy S24 Ultra managed to squeeze out a bit more at 15 hours and 53 minutes, it comes with a smaller battery, proving the Magic 6 Pro holds its own among the best. For video lovers, the Magic 6 Pro absolutely excels. In our video loop test, full HD video at 50% brightness, 0 volume, and airplane mode, the phone racked up an impressive 30 hours and 20 minutes of continuous playback. Gamers will also appreciate its endurance. We ran several rounds of Mobile Legends in ranked mode with high frame rate and ultra graphics settings, and the Magic 6 Pro held steady for approximately 8 hours and 15 minutes of gameplay on a single full charge. When it comes to connectivity, the Magic 6 Pro covers all the bases and then some. It supports the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 7, ensuring ultra-fast and stable internet connections, as well as Bluetooth 5.3 with A2DP LE and apt XHD for high-quality wireless audio. It also comes with NFC, GPS, and an IR blaster, making it versatile for any connectivity needs. The SIM configuration is flexible, offering either dual nano SIM or a combination of nano SIM and eSIM. For charging, Honor claims you can go from 0% to 100% in under 40 minutes, which means less time plugged in and more time using the phone. It even supports reverse wireless charging, although the power rating wasn't specified. Thanks to its silicon carbon battery technology and smart optimizations, the Magic 6 Pro is built to last, making it a reliable choice whether you're gaming, streaming, or just powering through your day. Price. The Honor Magic 6 Pro is priced at 59,999 pesos for its sole variant featuring 12 gigabytes RAM and 512 gigabytes storage. Conclusion. The Honor Magic 6 Pro checks nearly every box when it comes to what makes a flagship smartphone great. From its stunning camera system to impressive performance, long-lasting battery, and gorgeous display, Honor has crafted a device that is well-rounded and refined. It's hard to find any major flaws here. Any criticism would be nitpicking at this point. While the Magic 6 Pro isn't entirely perfect, it comes extremely close to offering everything you'd want in a premium smartphone. If you're in the market for a top-tier flagship this year, the Honor Magic 6 Pro deserves serious consideration.